Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. China's relentless push for cheap goods onto the global market is causing widespread economic turmoil. As the world grapples with the influx of low-cost Chinese products, the damage is becoming increasingly apparent. Described as having no guarantees and often failing to last beyond a few uses, these products are contributing to a growing crisis that extends far beyond China's borders. Amid this global crisis, India stands out for its proactive stance against Chinese goods. The Indian government has successfully championed Local for Vocal initiative, encouraging consumers to support Made in India products. This movement has gained significant traction, helping Indian companies advance and outperform Chinese competitors in various sectors. India's approach highlights a broader resistance to the economic disruption caused by China's trade practices, setting a positive example for other nations grappling with similar challenges. The core of the problem lies in China's aggressive trade practices. Over the past 2 decades, China has leveraged its vast manufacturing capabilities to flood global markets with inexpensive goods. This strategy has systematically undermined local industries across Southeast Asia and beyond. For instance, in Thailand's Lampang province, half of the ceramic factories have closed, while Indonesia's textile sector has suffered massive job losses. Malaysia's small retailers are also struggling under the weight of this relentless competition. This economic onslaught has prompted a backlash. In Thailand, consumers are rallying to support local products and call for a boycott of Chinese goods. Malaysia has responded with a 10% import duty on these products, though retailers argue that this measure falls short in the face of online competition. The United States is similarly grappling with the impact of Chinese imports, contemplating a dramatic overhaul of trade policies, including a potential 100% tariff on Chinese-made electric vehicles and substantial tariffs on other key goods. Washington's anticipated clampdown on tax-free import of Chinese goods adds another layer of complexity to this global crisis. The White House is poised to propose rules that would restrict the so-called de minimis exemption, which has allowed products worth less than $800 to enter the US without custom declarations. This move is designed to curb tariff evasion and address concerns about illegal items including drugs slipping into country. The potential reshaping of US retail landscape is already causing ripples. Major Chinese e-commerce players like Alibaba and PDD Holdings Incorporation, Temu, are facing investor jitters. Alibaba's shares fell by 2% as market absorbed the implications of the proposed regulations. Temu and Shein, which have rapidly expanded their US market presence, are expected to be hit hardest by these changes. Shein's upcoming IPO and Temu's significant contribution to PDD's revenue are now overshadowed by looming uncertainties. And with this global crisis, India stands out for its proactive stance against Chinese goods. The Indian government has successfully championed the Local for Vocal initiative, encouraging consumers to support Made in India products. This movement has gained significant traction, helping Indian companies advance and outperform Chinese competitors in various sectors. India's approach highlights a broader resistance to the economic disruption caused by China's trade practices, setting a positive example for other nations grappling with similar challenges. As countries like the US and those in Southeast Asia take steps to mitigate the damage, India's strategy underscores the importance of supporting local industries and reducing reliance on detrimental foreign imports. The global community must confront the economic disruption caused by China's unrelenting drive to dominate international markets with its cheap goods.